Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies simple recipe easy guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line an 8x8 pan with parchment. Combine melted butter and sugar, then whisk in eggs and vanilla until glossy. Stir in cocoa, flour, and a pinch of salt until just combined for fudgy texture. Fold in optional chocolate chips. Bake until a toothpick shows moist crumbs, then cool before slicing and serving. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent results and warm your butter to help it mix smoothly. Use a rubber spatula to fold ingredients gently and avoid overmixing, which makes brownies cakier. Line the pan with parchment for easy removal and cleaner slices. Preheat the oven while you mix to save time. If adding chips or nuts, fold them in last to keep pieces evenly distributed in the batter. Start by melting butter and mixing it with sugar, then add eggs one at a time for a stable batter. Sift cocoa and flour to avoid lumps and fold gently until no streaks remain. Pour batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top for even baking. Check at 20 minutes and expect about 25 minutes total, depending on your oven. Allow cooling so the brownies set before cutting and serving warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.